React is a JavaScript library for building UI, and there are three important features: declarative, then component based, and learn one, write anywhere. In declarative, the point is we can make our code more predictable and easier to debug. And component based, this about manage their own state, compose them to make complex UIs. This is all about component based and easily pass rich that data through our app and keep state out of the DOM. And on this I make a point in this technology stack that we can add the feature React feature, and we can also use React Native for building mobile app on Android or iOS. Then in this page, notes about playgrounds. We can try React in this CodePen, Code Sandbox, and Glitch. And we can add React to a website for directly. We can see in this page. Go to this link, we can try about add React directly just for some page. For full feature or full single page app, we can use this JavaScript tool change, right? There are some tools we can use in here. We can use create React app, and we can use next, and also Gatsby. I'm recommended. There are three main tools, and create React apps, or we can next also, and Gatsby. Yes, in this for learn React, I'm not there true. There are two concept in here: learning by doing and learn concept step by step. In this link we can see it's all about learning by tutorial in here, by some little project here. We can learn from this, and if we see about concept, we can here in the right side we can see there are 12 concept here, and advanced in here we can see also. And then for fundamental JavaScript, we can learn in other website, and I'm recommended is going to developer of Mozilla in this site. Yes, this is fundamental of JavaScript. Yes, this is all about getting started in ReactJs, and if we can complete this, we can learn React more faster and more enjoyable.